All right, so welcome everyone to our theater session today. We will be talking about how can you access compatibility of your line of business applications. We're going to introduce a new tool called as App Health Analyzer, which is deeply integrated with desktop analytics. It just got announced here at Ignite. It's creating a lot of vibe, and a lot of people are already speaking and talking about it. So I am Deepam Dubey. Along with me is Aniket Sapre. We are from the desktop analytics team. We would be giving you an overview of the tool and also would give you a hands-on preview or the demo of the tool as well today in this session. So, about app compatibility today. A typical customer who's trying to upgrade to Windows 10 feels app compatibility is still a challenge, right? App compatibility does not only increases or induces time and efforts, but also induces migration cost on you. With upgrade readiness in Windows Analytics, we are trying to help our customers to help them adopt the data-driven app validation approach. How many of you all are already using Windows Analytics, by the way? Oh, awesome, awesome. So let's talk about how analytics is helping you guys today. With this data-driven app validation approach, what we are pitching is that if the bigger pie over here is the total number of application in your ecosystem, you don't have to go test or manually validate each and every application. Instead of that, you should be looking at applications which have significant install base or are mission or business critical to you. So those would be classified as important or noteworthy applications. So in this small sector over here, that represents the applications you should go and focus and test on, right? Now, on Windows Analytics, we have seen that around 60 to 70% of these important applications have no readiness insights, and those are represented by the gray zone over here. And most of these applications are line of business applications or the third-party applications for which Microsoft have never known about, and that's why we do not have a compatibility story for you guys. And today, we would be talking about how can we go and help you solve this challenge. Because when we spoke to a lot of you who are already using Windows Analytics, we did find out that you are still struggling with this challenge. And you want to know about your line of business applications because you don't want them to break when you upgrade. So to help you with that challenge, we are introducing this new toolkit called as App Health Analyzer Toolkit, which is deeply integrated with the desktop analytics experience. Here is the sneak peek of this toolkit. So if you look at this, this is showing you an app readiness report, which has a comprehensive inventory of all the applications you have on a device. And it's also showing you what sort of compatibility rules or checks were made for those applications. And this app readiness report is very easy to use, and it's very easy to generate. You don't have to go launch and run each and every application individually. So we automatically go to the control panel and detect all the applications in your add remove program entries and generate this report for all the applications on that particular device. By the way, hold on to your cameras because you will have ample opportunities when Aniket would give a demo of the toolkit in some time. All right, so how is this going to go and transform your Windows migration experience or stories, right? So if you recollect, a few minutes before, I showed you the current ecosystem or how does the picture look like today, right? You have your important applications, then you have your full applications, and this is the current scenario. Now, with running App Health Analyzer tool on the devices which have the applications, which have the LOB or the third-party applications you care about, you can transform this story and get to a higher app confidence state. So most of the private previewers or the customers we are working with, they're reporting that most of their applications now have app readiness insights, along with some guidances or recommendations, remediations which they can go and make on those applications. And it really helps them come up with a remediation plan or a strategy for those applications. Eventually, we want you to have a higher confidence on each and every application which is important to you. And this is what we want in desktop analytics. And also, we want you to accelerate your migration rate so that you don't have to think about your line of business applications or your third-party applications, and you don't get nightmares about not being them working on the OS you want to go to. So with that, I also want to quickly highlight few things on why this toolkit is unique and why should you go back and think about this. So we do an advanced analysis on an application which is already installed on a device. So we don't do package analysis from an MSI or an EXE, which a lot of other prevalent tools in the market do today. So that makes us unique. Also, we have, based on our expertise in enterprise domain, we have come up with few predefined compatibility rules or checks which help us evaluate your line of business applications. And then eventually, we also generate a risk rating, a high, medium, and low rating, along with guidances or remediations, which you can use to come up with your own remediation or migration plan. Here is the secret sauce. So if you see this donut, in this donut, you can see in the outer ring, these are all the compatibility rules or checks we have in the toolkit today. So some of my favorite ones are Java dependency, VB6 dependency, and driver dependency. In the demo, we will be giving you an overview and we'll be talking about why are these important and how they are relevant. And if you see in the inner ring, we also look at some other data sources, such as Ready for Windows database and Microsoft compatibility database, and use all of those to come up with this risk rating eventually. So with that, let's jump straight into the action. Aniket here will help us do the demo of the toolkit. Over to you, Aniket.
Hello, everyone. My name is Aniket. I'm one of the devs on the App Health Analyzer tool. What I've done over here is I've set up a Windows 7 virtual machine. I've installed few sample applications on this device. You can imagine this as if you were trying to upgrade this Windows 7 machine to the latest version of Windows. And you wanted to know more about the applications on this Win 7 machine. So what I'll do is I've already installed the App Health Analyzer tool. You can see there's a MSI on the desktop. We have created an MSI so you can easily deploy the App Health Analyzer tool on the devices in your enterprise. Once you have installed the App Health Analyzer tool on the device, you can go to the Start menu and search for App Health Analyzer. You'll see that there are 3 different options with which you can launch this tool. The first option is where you will get a client UI. In this client UI, we'll list all the applications on that device. And along with those applications, we'll let you know what signals we found with the App Health Analyzer tool. The second option that we have over here is the silent mode. What we do in this is we won't be launching the client UI. We will be running this application in the background silently. This way, you can actually deploy this tool on multiple devices, and the users won't notice this tool running in the background. The third option that we have over here is the verbose mode. If you run into any problems with this tool, we'll most likely ask you to run this tool with this option. It will collect additional logs that will help us debug this tool. Hopefully, you guys don't have to run this tool with the third option. We'll probably run it with the first and the second option. So what I'll do is I'll launch this tool with the first option over here. It'll ask me for admin privileges. I'll click on yes. Once I click on yes, what it'll do is, in this particular screen, it'll start collecting the application inventory on this device. Once it has finished collecting the application inventory, let me just full screen. It'll start analyzing individual application on that device. Once it has finished analyzing an application, it'll populate that entry in this UI. You can monitor the progress of the tool by looking at the top left-hand progress bar. You can see that there are total 15 applications listed there, and it has finished analyzing about 11 applications by now. I'll go over the individual signals that we find on these applications, but before I do that, I want to bring to your attention the Get Started page that we have over here. What this page will do is it'll list all the different all the different signals that we collect for the applications. You can go to that description, and you can also see the remediation that we suggest if you find a particular signal on your device. So coming back to insights, I'll probably go over like 4 or 5 different signals. Due to the time constraints, I won't be able to go over all the signals that we have. The first signal that we have in this tool is Java dependency. You can see that there are 2 applications that are marked as having a Java dependency, one being Java itself, and second being Apache. What you can do with this signal is you can identify all the applications in your ecosystem that have a dependency on Java. The remediation we suggest with that is ensure that the latest supported JDK version is installed on the Windows you're trying to migrate to. This way, all the applications that depend on Java would work seamlessly on that Windows. The second signal that we have over here is VB6 dependency. You can see that this application has been marked as having a VB6 dependency. With this signal, you can identify all the applications in your ecosystem that are dependent on the VB6 framework. The third signal that we have over here is requiring admin access. So if an application asks for admin privileges when it tries to launch, we'll mark that application as having admin access. You saw that while trying to launch the App Health Analyzer, I was prompted for admin access, and App Health Analyzer has been marked as requiring admin access. What you can do with this signal is you can ensure the users of that machine have admin privileges so they can utilize these applications on that device. You might have noticed that there's one application that is marked in red over here. You'll be wondering what exactly is that. So there are few signals that we identify as having higher risk than others. And one of those signals being 16-bit dependency. So this particular application over here has a 16-bit dependency, and the tool has marked that application in red. Note that this Superpower 2 game is not actually a 16-bit application. What I've done over here is I've repackaged this particular application. I added few 16-bit dependencies, and then I installed this application for the demo purposes. You can see that App Health Analyzer correctly identifies Superpower 2 as having those 16-bit dependencies. So the remediation for this is you won't be able to launch a 16-bit application on a 64-bit machine. You would be able to launch it on a 32-bit machine if you enable NTVDM. Apart from, actually I'll go over to the 5th signal that we have. How many of you have heard of the Ready for Windows service that we have? Anyone? 1, 2? Okay. So for those of you who don't know what Ready for Windows is, it's a web service that we offer where you can go and look for your applications, and we'll give you an adoption status for that application. So what do we mean by adoption status? So if an application is widely installed across different enterprises on Windows 10, we'll let you know on that web service. Like if you go to Ready for Windows, we'll let you know about that. Apart from adoption status, Ready for Windows will also let you know if an ISV has a support statement available for its software on Windows 10. So what we have done with the App Health Analyzer tool is we are actually connecting to the web API that we have for Ready for Windows, and we are pulling down the information that we have for that particular application on Ready for Windows. You can see that there are 5 applications that are highly adopted on Windows 10 across different enterprises. Along with that, you can also see that there are 2 applications that have support statement. They both are .NET. We have support statement available for .NET on RFW. Apart from the signals that you see on the client UI, there are a couple of signals that we will only collect on the desktop analytics service. Those signals are driver dependency and framework dependency. If an application installs drivers, or if an application is dependent on .NET 1 or Silverlight framework, we'll let you know of that on the desktop analytics service. You might be wondering how this tool actually interacts with desktop analytics. So what we do is once App Health Analyzer has finished analyzing all the applications, like you can see right now, the evaluation is complete over there. It will send data over to Microsoft, and we'll process that data along with the desktop analytics data that we have, and we'll come up with a risk assessment for all the applications that we see on that device. we'll show you the risk assessment in the desktop analytics service. Along with the risk assessment, we will also show you all the signals that were found for that particular application in the desktop analytics UI. Deepam over here will be going over the desktop analytics UI.
Great.
Probably like 4 minutes.
Awesome. Can you switch back to the PPT?
Yeah,
please?
let me switch back to the presentation.
Thank you, Aniket, for the demo. So the magic does not stop here. Let's talk about how things are going to look like in desktop analytics. So in desktop analytics, you can create a deployment plan for the devices you want to go and upgrade. And then if you choose to run the App Health Analyzer tool on those devices, you can see the app readiness insights in this experience. So what I'm showing you here right now is a sample deployment plan. And in this deployment plan, you can have multiple devices. And these are all the apps which are existing on those devices. And I or a user can go and run the tool on those devices to see the insights eventually on this experience. So the tool is going to go collect the data and send it over to Microsoft, and then the assessments are going to light up in this service. So, for example, Aniket mentioned about few signals which are only supported on analytics, such as driver dependency, Silverlight dependency, or .NET dependency. So I'm going to be giving you certain examples. I'm going to show you certain experiences on how to go and look out for that information on the service. So for reference, here is an application which is under a deployment plan, and in the app details panel, you can go click on that application name to see this panel which tells you about the application. What is the name, version, publisher, and vendor of that application, right? You also see compatibility risk factors over here. And under that section, you can see the App Health Analyzer insights. Now, using all of this rich information, you can also make upgrade decisions or set importance of that application, or can also define the app owner for that particular application. So for example, in this case, this application seems to have a driver dependency, which is highlighted there. Sometimes we see that some applications install kernel drivers, and kernel drivers can sometimes be non-compliant with Windows 10. So if your app is using one, you should contact your app owner or the ISV to get the compliant version. In the second example, the app is highlighted with a Silverlight dependency. Microsoft is asking or recommending the developers to move up technology. So if you're using this one, you should probably have a plan or a migration plan for this application. All right, let's sum it up. You can sign up for private preview, come talk to us. We want you all to participate and co-develop the product with us. We'll also get you early insights into what our thinking is and what our roadmap looks like. Here is an alias you can reach out to get additional information about the toolkit and how it works, and we will be more than glad to educate you about it. One of the key things I would love to have from you guys is about your app compatibility story. Like what sort of challenges you face when you go back and work in your corporations. And we would love to know about those challenges so that we can go and create business rules around that in the product or the toolkit, right? So that will be really helpful for us to hear back from you guys on what you think are the potential problems with your line of business applications. And please provide us feedback on the Ignite app. We will be at the Modern Workspace booth. We will be hanging out there for a bit. So if you have questions, swing by, talk to us. With that, I hope you all enjoy the celebration tonight at Universal Studios. Have fun, be safe, see you around. Thank you so much.
Thank you.